Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make custom AI image generation models that will give you the best custom images that are created by AI that you can use for any e-commerce. And this is totally different than what's out there. You'll see some competitors pretending to do this, but I'm going to show you something really incredible that is brand new. So here is this is like a fake image, but imagine if you're selling yoga mat. So you have this blue yoga mat and you want to make AI images of like for Instagram, for your Shopify store, for Amazon, and you don't want to hire a bunch of models, but you want models to be using your product. And you have some various images of it that you can upload, and then you want these AI images created that actually use the product and actually look like it in various settings. Okay, so let's say you have this and you want to upload that. Okay, now take a look at this. This is an AI model using the yoga mat, and we only use that one image to train it. I'm going to explain why later. And if you use more than one, you will get much better than this. So currently, with these other ones, if you only gave it one photo, you you couldn't get it out of its form. So this is all rolled up, but now it's stretched out. It's the same color. If you look carefully, it's the same texture. It doesn't have that little yoga symbol, but that's only because we have used just one to train because it's quite expensive to do the training. But we're going to show you how you can do this yourself, and this is really really cool because then you can make once you've trained the model, then you can make all kinds of images. But you can already see the colors the same and the textures the same. So now here's another AI generated model using that yoga mat completely rolled up now. Now, one aspect of it is missing. You can see the two side by side. So this is what you gave it. And again, if you fed the model that we're going to show you more than one image, you can start to see the detail like these straps here. But the color's good. The size is good. She looks great. You can see even there's a shadow here on it. So this isn't just cut out and put here, obviously. This is AI generated in every way. Her fingers wrap around this nicely. It looks pretty realistic. Okay, so another example. Now imagine you have a Shopify store on Amazon or whatever. You're selling this red dress and you've got some photos of it. Now you need a model to wear it. Now, you don't want to just take a model and just, click and move this over top of it. You want it to look like someone's actually in the dress in different positions moving around. So now take a look at this. AI generated, it looks like she's actually wearing the dress. It's in a different position and it looks great. It looks like a more luxurious dress. You can see the two images side by side there. So we trained a model. We actually got new weights on a model, and we paid for it, which is fine. And we just uploaded one image, and we already got, we were able to get a model wearing the same dress. Okay. And if we did more images, we get better ones. Now, imagine you're a shoe company and you've got this shoe. Okay, I'm going to show you like a totally wrong way to go about doing this, and what a lot of people do, or a lot of these websites do that say they're making these AI generators, and then what we're going to do. So this is hilarious. Now, this is not AI by any means. All I did was I went on Canva and I just click background remover, and then I just rotated the shoe, and then I got an AI beach photo, and then I just dropped the same shoe. So it's the same photo, just sort of slid out in place. There's no shadow, there's no anything. It's the same shoe, same position, other than rotated. And it doesn't look real in any way. It's not useful. Okay, now you could play around with it, make it look slightly better than this, but give me a break. Now this one's hilarious. Now what I did is I went to ChatGPT, which uses DALL-E 3, and I uploaded this image of the shoe to ChatGPT, and I said, based on this image, a lot of people think that's training because you uploaded it. It's not. So I uploaded it, and I said, okay, based on this image, go ahead and make me a pair of the same shoes, exactly the same, and put them on a rock. And then it made this. I mean, not even close to the same shoe, right? They got two shoes. They have the shadow. The photo looks okay, but if you just say it doesn't work like that. So you can either cut it out, which looks terrible, or you can say make the same thing and it doesn't. Now, this is when we trained the AI model, we were actually able to do it. So these are the same shoes. You can see the shadow. They're actually sitting on a table. So this whole thing is generated from the AI model that was trained based on the actual input shoes. Now, here is a model, AI model, wearing the shoes. So they're completely flipped around. Her feet are in there. It looks normal. Like you could never do this with another type of program. Now, again, I said compared to the Chat GPT one or the Beach one, I said this is AI generated 100%. I said just make those shoes and put them on a rock overlooking the ocean. And this is completely AI generated, but because we have trained the model with our input shoes, and again, we only used one shoe, it was able to make the pair a left and a right, side by side. The shadows look good. The whole thing looks good. So, if you think about it, my light just went off here. Um, this is like night and day. I'm just going to whip through these again, and then you can see the difference. So we've only done one, like I said, of each for the training, but it's just incredible the wide variety of uses you can get. So you're using Instagram, you can put them on Amazon, Shopify, Facebook, you name it. So if you train your own model, which we're going to show you how to do, then this is the type of photo you can get with just a couple clicks. There's like no skill using it this way. Okay, so the website that we're launching this off is called Cartario, Cartario, and it's just gone live today. So if you go to cartario.com, you create custom AI images of your own products, you train an AI model on your own products. So you are going to train the AI model just by uploading your photos. It takes 20 minutes or so to train. Then you have your own model forever that you can generate incredible photos of and then use them however you like. So, love to hear what you think in the comments. Let us know if you have any questions. But until then, I think you will absolutely love Cartario.com. We will see you next time.